So I've got 3 tiles here I need to replace along this bathroom window. I think this was from exposure to water. So here you can see that this is just flaring off. I'm going to replace this tile. This one here's popped up. And this one might be alright. See if I can pop that guy out of there. Alright, now I got both those tiles cut out of there. I can cut 2 new tiles and put them right in there. Alright, now I got those 2 tiles replaced around the window there. I collect and sell scrap metal. It's my way of lowering or reducing my carbon footprint. So this is all the scrap metal that I've accumulated from this remodel on this vacant rental property. It's not something you can make a living at. What you see there are probably, at 4 cents a pound, I'll probably give you $8, something like that. So on this rental property there were 2 electric lawnmowers that were left. And I'm just going to buy a new one for the new tenants. So I've stripped all the metal off of this except for the motor, which I'm going to try to get now. So on both these lawnmowers, that nut that holds on the blade, that's frozen on there. I've tried everything to get that thing off. So I'm going to make one last attempt to get this, otherwise it's going to the dump. I'm going to cut the plastic housing around that motor and see if I can free it up. I'm going to use my Sawzall and see if I can cut this frame here. Hey, piece of cake. Alright, I got 1/2 of it cut away. So I'm going to continue to cut that body away from the motor. Now I've extracted that motor from the body of the lawnmower. Now I'm about to make my 8th and final trip to the dump. Making progress.